Don't be a clown and end up like this guy.
You put me there because it's windy?
Flying birds, as opposed to what, an ostrich? What's it doing? It's Jenny Bell's well. How'd you like my seaweed necklace?
Well, I can see that.
Cut my bloody hand.
Hey, you put me there because it's windy?
Wind's coming from the other way. Right then, from the car park into the village. I'm really lucky because accidentally we came. It's quietest time because everyone's left.
One's here.
No, everybody came on the early bit. They've escaped before the tide comes in.
And this place, right here, all this place, reminds me of the movie Beetlejuice because of all the houses are like red roofs and white or yellow buildings. It reminds me of the little sculptures. And then the main house, that weird haunted house thing, that looks like the castle that's over there. Cool, huh?
Very cool. Those are the houses. They actually remind me of the houses I used to live in Germany.
Yeah, that also reminds me of Germany.
So, looks like we've got the place to
Look how many
ourselves.
not flies, flying birds there are.
Flying birds. As opposed to what, an ostrich? Look at
Yeah.
all those birds that are not ostriches. Looks like a very military looking building, that does. Right, which way? Who knows? Let's just keep going. Oh, here we go. There's a bit of a map, bit of a sign here. What does it say? Toilets, church, Priory Fire Museum,
I want to go to the church.
and St Mary's Church.
Look, telephone box.
Any phone in there? There is a phone in there. Let's go and have a look. It's even got the wooden door on it.
Wow.
That's cool, isn't it? Pick it up. Listen to it. What's it doing?
I want to call you.
Go on and type down my number in.
Okay. No looking, guys.
Oh, yeah, go on then, go. Yeah, I've got to put money in first, that's fine.
Look what I found.
Yeah, some sort of poisonous berry.
Ian. Wow.
Cool. Tide's in now, look, we can't get back to the mainland now. We're stuck here.
Oh no.
And that rain cloud is coming for us. We're going to have to get undercover somewhere. Maybe inside this church. Yeah, that rain cloud's coming right for us, look. That is a lot of rain. Maybe it's best to go in. Church. All churches are really cool, I think, inside, but that one was especially cool. I don't know, maybe it's just really well
All of the
looked after.
flowers.
Yeah,
I liked all the flowers most.
lots of flowers. We're just going to pop out here and have a quick... Whoa, I got my head taken off by a swallow. You've never seen a swallow before, have you? Here you go.
Swallow.
This. These. So yeah, catch all the flies, all like bees and stuff like that. They might be house martins, actually. Do you want to walk down to the sea?
Yeah.
We might be able to see across where we came, across the water.
Ooh.
It's all cut off now. That's pretty much where we drove through, look. Now look at it.
Ah,
We're stuck here.
beautiful.
How cool is that?
Yeah, so cool. I want to watch should swim all the way across.
No.
Seriously?
How about no? Let me think about it. No. Oh, it's a well. Careful you don't fall through it.
Farewell indeed.
It's Jenny Bell's well. That's difficult to say. If she's got a few pints. Jenny Bell's well. Oh yes, look at that. Definitely can't get across now. Jacket needs to go on. That is. I'm just going to put my jacket on, I'm freezing. How'd you like my seaweed necklace?
Ew.
Seaweed scarf.
Disgusting, you weirdo.
Absolutely stinks. I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, because your nose is right next to it.
Get off me. That lady's probably thinking what a weirdo.
Probably because you are a
Guess what
weirdo.
I've just seen?
What?
Seal.
I just saw a seal. In front of that island.
Right there.
Yeah, right there.
Just gone.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Seal.
That rain cloud's coming in now. But there's a building here. I think it's an old lifeboat station. Really cool just to walk down to the beach and see that seal right away. There we go. Nice and dry. Oh, what's this? Ah, it is a lifeboat museum. Oh, lifeboat station. That's cool. Earliest rescues. Holy Island lies close to a busy local and international shipping route. It offers a safe natural harbour, but it's surrounded by hidden hazards. Take a look at the map to see the sandbanks and rocks which lurk below the surface. So that's where we come across and then round. Yes, we're here looking that way. There's sandbanks everywhere. Okay.
Yeah, I'm taking the photo.
1800 was the first lifeboat. So it's just a bit of a museum really for this particular building, all about all of the different lifeboats that were stationed here over the time. It's crazy, isn't it? It's been here for absolutely forever, this building. Medals of gallantry. Look, people who've got medals for gallantry. Where's the seal gone? I wonder if we can walk along this coastline and then over to the castle. That would be good. 3, 2, 1, go.
No way it actually works.
Good one. Nice one. Sounds like
you.
when he goes to the toilet.
Yeah, when you go to the toilet.
Could have paid 15 quid to go into the Priory. Or just walk up here and look in it for free. What's in here?
Stuff.
Welcome to Hugh. Here's a Northumbria word.
Welcome to you. Oh, Hugh.
Heof. Heof, not Hugh. Heof. There you go, look. Windstone crags, dark grey mudstone with fossils.
Where's this?
Here, right here.
Right, can we go?
Can't because the tide's in.
No, but when the tide's out, can we go?
We can go. Yeah.
Hey.
At the bottom of the steps you can see pale fossils in the shore rocks. These are remains of ancient sea creatures. So we need to go along here, look. We'll just come up here, down that path and then down. We might be able to get down there.
Hey.
Might have fallen down. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter.
Under the sea. What is this again?
Dunno. So you can't get down, the tide's out. Tide's in.
The steps are there though.
Yeah, you can get down, but you can't get down to where the
They
fossils
said
are.
on the steps.
So these are the crags, but we won't be able to get to it because the sea is in. We definitely need to buy a sea fishing rod. That's one of the things I'm going to get next, because every time we come to the coast, I just want to cast out and fish and try and catch something so we can eat it.
You can eat it.
Basically, it's in them things there, look. You can see them. When it goes out, you can see them on the bottom. Yeah.
I want to try and crack some out.
Well, we can't do anything yet until the tide goes out.
Yeah.
Go on then.
Okay, so here in my hands is a load of sand.
Yeah.
I'm going to throw it into that clear bit of water there.
Okay then.
You can watch it
Go on then.
as it goes down. Look at how beautiful that is.
All fishing stuff, this look. Sea fishing.
Well, I can see that.
Let's walk through all this fishing stuff.
Really cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, we made it to the castle and look, the sun's out. How cool's that? And the wind's dropping as well. It's actually more like a house than a castle, to be honest. But I don't really know the history of it.
I found a little caterpillar.
Oh, finally out of the wind for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
It was a nice walk to the castle. Tell you what, my legs are tired. I think it's these crappy trainers that I've got on. I don't usually wear fashion trainers. I've normally got sports trainers on.
Yeah, most of the time.
I have got my insoles in these though, so it has been helping with my Achilles tendonitis quite a lot, which is good. There you go, you can see them now. Down the steps. Down the steps. But go. And then left. Thank you. There you go. See them now. Whee! Look at them all. Very cool. It's a big one.
What even is that?
Sure. This is like soft mud as well. Well, not soft. Looks like a beetle, that one. Some sort of beetle.
Ooh.
These red spiders get everywhere, don't they?
Ooh.
Cut my bloody hand trying to get the fossils out. Look at that one. Well, Holy Island has a lot to offer, I must admit.
There's that one there, there's that one, there's that one, that one, that one, that one, that one.
Very cool. Also, if you're new to the channel and you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. It does help us out. Give us a thumbs up, press the thumbs button,
Bell.
hit the bell, and leave us a comment.
Anything.
Anything, doesn't matter what you
Could be
say.
hi.
Could be hi, could even say this is rubbish. We don't care. Just leave us a comment.
Make sure to tell him that he's a loser.
Could do that. Dad's a loser.
And I'm a winner.
Well, I'm sitting knackered from walking up that tiny little hill.
Very nice flowers.
See this building it, look. That is so tempting to drive through. It's not deep at all, but there's so many people around. I just don't want to be that guy. I also don't want to be that guy. Well, we've made it down the causeway, like halfway down, and honestly, I can drive straight across this, but there's so many people around. I just don't like, I don't know, I just don't want to be that sort of, you know, knobhead that just thinks they're smart or whatever. But yeah, we can easily get through. I guess we've just got to wait a little bit longer, which is a bit annoying really, because we're just sitting here doing nothing. I might just go for it. Just edge forward a little bit more and then just go for it. Don't be a clown and end up like this guy. Jesus Christ, that's going to be a head-on collision, that is. Two cars will hit each other, or a biker. Right, we've made it back, and we're now going to Amazon Locker to pick up a parcel. Hopefully.
It's what we expected.
Yeah, well, not that. Hopefully we can do it, because I've never done this before, but I'm sure it's pretty straightforward. Oh, I'm tired after that journey. Hopefully all those people are okay after the crash. I'm sure they're not. Right then. Touch to start. I'm assuming this is where it is. That is a pretty incredible sunset. But look at that, or before sunset, I should say. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sunset photo, sunset selfie. Bit close, but never mind. Not you, the camera. Good, that, innit?
Yeah.
Tell me about today. What was the best part about today?
Fossils.
Yeah, finding the fossils. Going on to Holy Island was good, wasn't it?
Yeah. I liked finding that field of poppies.
Yeah, it was good.
Really
Going to the castle.
Fossil.
Castle. Seeing the seal.
We saw this really weird fish, and it went like.
Yeah, it was like a flying fish. It just jumped up like that and went back down again. I'll have to see if there's any flying fish out there. I used to see flying fish all the time when I worked at sea.
Is there such thing?
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
they do?
Fly.
I couldn't have guessed.
Right then, let's get back to the van.